Hello everyone. Now in this lecture we are going to study about the breadboard configuration, and this is the important thing because it will be useful in all real life applications. Because in the first experiment, in the first introduction class, if you remember, I told we are going to use for a small prototype building like smart home and all. If I use the three grounds for any three sensors and our LED, then what will be the remaining usage of making calling it as a prototype if we can't even do a smaller application? That's the reason we need to study about the breadboard first, so that we can understand the remaining things easily. Yeah, from beginning of our project, even with the hardware components we are using is breadboard small only. The thing is that you can only notice by once I am moving to any one of the breadboard point, you can see some green lines are being appeared. Yes, these for top two rows and bottom two rows will be completely working horizontally. That's the reason if you place anything here, it is going to affect all. So that here what why I am using this plus and minus are, since I am having the limit voltages, nothing but there are only two 5 volts on my Arduino board. I am going to select all the sensors and I am going to place all the positive values on this positive line, and any one wire. Remember, any one wire if I connect to 5 volts of our Arduino, all the sensors or all the LEDs and everything will get the 5 voltage. That's the advantage of using the breadboard. And similarly, minus also all grounds we can connect here from different sensors. And any one wire if we connect to ground of Arduino, then all the wirings will be getting as ground. So we can reduce it. And if you see here, I am moving. Here you can see it is like a divider, right? These four are one vertical and these four are one vertical of the same line. If you see, if anything, for example, let me click and let me explain randomly. Practically, we are going to see in the next video lecture. By it is also called as multitasking. Here I have connected the resistor, right? Now, if I am considering the same LED here, we are also going to indirectly say that the resistor is connected even to this LED. But for suppose if you are placing in the same line in this row, it is not in connection. The reason is you can only see by clicking here, you can notice that only these are the connection and these are the separate connection. This is how the breadboard is configured. And in the next video lecture, we are going to see the multitasking performance also. That's all for this lecture. Thank you.